I'm in the process of testing out the Phantom 4 Pro. I've had this before, I just was never really interested in flying it, so now I'm gonna test it out one more time and let me know what you think of this. This is 2023, you know, I'm like wondering, do people still buy this drone? Because when you look at it, this drone right here, this is the original, this is the icon for most drones, not just DJI. When you think of drones, this is what you think about. When people who don't know no better, when they think of drones, this is what they see. This is the image they have in their heads. All right, we're gonna get some footage of it and let's see what happened. All right, I'll be back in a minute. There's one thing I like about this copter. You can't even get close to it. It's making a lot of obstacle avoidance, making a lot of noise. You can hear it. I'm gonna stick this underneath it and see what happens. I thought it would have jumped, but it did not jump. Okay, the reason I have this, honestly, this have 4K, 60 frames per second on there. You know, which is better than some of these Mavericks, except the Mavic 3 that has a little bit much better camera than this one. But when you look at it, this is still worth buying nowadays, okay? I mean, I own a few drones that's way more professional than this. As far as I can see, this is still worth buying in 2023. If you have the money for the Mavic 3, I don't see why not. But if your budget is not that high, then you're looking like $500 to $1,000, this might be the drone for you. It's a nice professional drone. You could do I think you should be able to do mapping with this. So I'm gonna check out the footage. I shot on D-Log. I'm gonna check out the footage, see what they look like, and take it easy.